everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 769 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Viciley, probably not pronouncing that correctly because when do I ever pronounce brand names correctly? Cosmetics Magic Lashes. So this is a kit. It's magic eyeliner, eyelashes, and mascara. So this was sent to me for free by the brand, and I always just like to disclaim that to you, but this is not a sponsored video, so I really don't know what I'm in for, but let's find out. But they don't have any magnets or glue in the false lashes, so I'm very intrigued. Comes in really nice packaging. Ooh, yeah, that's beautiful. So it has 4 steps to it. Ooh, and these lashes look so pretty. They're the cat eye type. So you can see that they get longer at the ends, which I love that style. And the kit does come with 3 pairs of lashes. Wow. They do look to all be the same style of lashes, which is good. I love that style. All right, so it says to really make sure to shake the eyeliner before use. And I can hear it. It sounds very liquidy. Okay, and then there's a button at the top. All right, so shake it really good before use. Press the tail button until it clicks. Wait for 5 minutes to make sure the eyeliner infiltrates the tip. 5 minutes? Maybe they mean 5 seconds? What? This is like... Oh, you just press the tip in. Okay, so you can see the tip of it is white. I wonder if it's going to turn black. Okay, I am back and the tip got black, so the ink went down to it. I'm a little nervous, but okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line, which you know I'm not very good at that. This applies like a really nice liquid eyeliner, like a nice comfortable felt tip, really full black color. So this is just like a nice black eyeliner. All right, that was pretty easy. It doesn't feel like anything on my eye. It doesn't feel any different than a regular liquid eyeliner. The next step is to apply the mascara, which this is really cute packaging. So I'm just gonna do one eye first. Ooh, this looks like the type of mascara wand that I like too. So you can see it has like those little short stubby bristles. And so I'll go ahead and coat my lashes in the mascara. This is nice mascara. Fully black. Does a nice job of coating all the lashes, keeping them separated so they're getting lengthened and volumized. But I'm not too worried about how my natural lashes are looking. I more just want them to be black to blend in with the falsies, but pretty nice mascara in general. And then third step is to apply the lashes. And it did come with some tweezers, which look pretty nice. I actually needed to get new tweezers, so this is awesome. It didn't mention anything in the instructions about trimming the lashes. Okay, so they are stuck on here with a little bit of glue, the way all false lashes come. But okay, I should go ahead and see if I need to trim anything. That's funny. While I'm checking if I need to trim, it like already stuck on to the eyeliner. What? So the lashes are a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna trim a little bit off the edge. My camera died right as I was pulling them off, so in case my camera died before you got to see, it really did stick on immediately, like I was wearing lash glue, but then it pulled off pretty easily as if I were taking off my regular glued on lashes, but I don't have any glue on. Okay, so going ahead and, wow, it really does stick right on immediately. Like it has such a strong hold, which makes it a little difficult if you don't place the lash exactly where you want it at first. But these are also very nice, soft lashes. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it to stick down in that outer corner, but I did already go ahead and like apply the lashes, take it off, reposition. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more eyeliner to the corner. And then, yeah, it pressed down immediately. These are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this eyeliner because I'm just curious, like how it's actually magic. I love these lashes. I love the cat eye. And they look really good, like right onto the lash line. And they're sticking on very securely. They feel pretty comfortable. It's basically as if I glued them on. Yeah, like this dried down and it's not smudging. There's no transfer. There's a little bit of stickiness to it, like a little bit of tackiness, but not sticky enough that I think that it could hold the lashes. So this really is like magical. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So lining it. So the liner comes out very inky. So I actually did kind of get a little bit of eyeliner on the bottom that's kind of getting into my eye. And it doesn't feel like anything. Like it's not irritating my eye at all. It doesn't feel sticky, like I got glue in my eye or anything like that. So that's a relief. Then applying some mascara. It's so cool, like it's not even like you have to rush with any dry time for the eyeliner the way that you need to time out applying your lashes with glue. Even though this came with the tweezers, I just don't even apply my lashes with tweezers. The mascara takes a little while to dry down, like longer than normal, which I'm getting a little smudging because of that. And there it is. This is so cool. It seriously is just as secure as if I had used a really nice, strong glue. I really don't know how this happened, but they're really nice lashes, really comfortable, and they seem really secure. I love a different, innovative type of makeup product, and that is exactly what this is. So this retails for $31.99. You get 3 pairs of lashes, the eyeliner, the mascara, the tweezers. So I think this is a really great deal, and I'm really happy with these lashes. I will definitely continue wearing this. Like this is definitely a go-to lash, like false lash look because it's really easy. It saves that step because I'm gonna use an eyeliner with my false lashes anyways. And if my eyeliner makes the lashes stick, then I'm all for it. But so the brand Viciley said that they would do a giveaway for 3 people. If you like and comment, you're entered in for a giveaway and they're gonna choose 3 people. So if you're interested in trying out these lashes, go ahead and like and leave a comment down below. I will also link to these in the description down below. You can buy them on Amazon. So I'm really excited about this. I'm so happy I tried these out because I'm definitely going to get great use out of them. So comfortable, so pretty, like the exact style of lashes that I love. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enter that giveaway and good luck. I really hope you win. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.